Emil Otto GmbH introduces advanced cleaning solutions for solar systems. Designed for use with drones, Emil Otto GmbH, a renowned supplier of cleaning and soldering agents for the solar industry, has introduced a range of cleaning products designed to be used with drones. These innovative solutions aim to enhance the efficiency and longevity of solar panels while reducing the effort required for maintenance. In recent years, the demand for renewable energy, particularly solar energy, has seen a significant rise. The performance of solar panels heavily depends on regular cleaning to remove dirt, dust, and other contaminants that can hinder their efficiency. Traditional cleaning methods are often time consuming, costly, and challenging, especially in hard to reach areas. Today's drones are revolutionizing this process as they can be used efficiently to remove dirt from solar panels, stated Markus Geßner, head of marketing and sales at Emil Otto GmbH. Specially developed cleaning agents are sprayed onto the affected areas by drone. These cleaning agents must be environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and specially formulated to maximize cleaning power without damaging the sensitive surfaces of the solar panels. Emil Otto's solar module cleaner series includes a variety of cleaning agents tailored for use on solar modules. These agents can be alkaline, acidic, or neutral, depending on the type of contamination. They are VOC-free and effective against stubborn dirt, such as limescale, lime compounds, lichen, moss, and algae. Jenner explained that solar parks, often located near highways or other traffic hubs, frequently encounter contamination from soot, exhaust fumes, dust, and other pollutants. The optimum efficiency of the solar module is achieved again through cleaning, Jenner continued. Emil Otto's cleaners do not leave greasy residues that can harden under UV radiation. They are also gentle on the solar system's materials and electronic components. The use of drones in combination with our efficient cleaning agents provides significant added value, Jenner noted. Drones can cover large areas quickly and reach places that are inaccessible to conventional cleaning teams. In such scenarios, it is crucial that the cleaning agents do not leave any residue, eliminating the need for manual or mechanical recleaning. This drone-assisted cleaning approach minimizes working time and downtime, leading to considerable cost savings. Our innovative cleaning agents for solar modules are a significant step forward for the solar industry, Jenner added. We are proud to offer a solution that not only improves the efficiency and lifetime of solar panels, but also reduces operating costs while protecting the environment.